Hello guys, once again we are back with the new Multiexr pass. It's actually not a Multiexr pass, it's just XR pass. Okay, I'm sorry for that, but we are definitely here to go with the new passes that I have brought now. Okay, you guys are also free to download, and I have placed those file. This is the file. These are you are getting these files on the list. I will just post that in the Dropbox, and I will provide you the link so you can download from there and practice as you can. So I want to work with the 1080. Okay, so I think we have come here with I have it took I think 2 days because we don't used to do all the times, so it took me 2 days. So on the coming days, I would like to assure you guys that I will be coming back with a lot more 3D passes, like so that you can practice them at your home and be so you can be best in that. So we have so I'll just go surfacely here. So this is a beauty, and this is I have rendered though. We got the, like, it is a shadow. We got very hard shadow over there, so I rendered the another without light and fan. So that one is this. So and we have this is a cryptomat actually, so we can see later because cryptomat on the Nuke Beauty and on the Beauty and Arnold, they have a little bit difference on the cryptomat pass. So this is cryptomat pass. Whatever, first I used to bring with the ID pass, so that it didn't become so convenient to work. So this time I'm coming back with the cryptomat pass. So it makes it a lot more easier to do work, and it makes more convenient to find out the result. Okay, and this is object cryptomat. This one is materials. I think that one is material. Okay, this is a fan, exactly fan. That's I rendered this separately. I was planning to make this animate, but with just being out of time, I didn't do that. And this is diffuse, but actually diffuse doesn't used to be something like that because it has a shadow on it, and I didn't even look at that time, but no problem. We are here just to practice. We don't need that perfect tool. This is indirect light. This is indirect, and this is a normal. You can see it's a normal. It's a occlusion. You can see as well. So I just surfacely tells you guys that if there are some problem, like no somewhat problem. This is specular, and this is a jet depth. Sorry. Oh my god, I think we got a problem with the jet depth, right? No worry. We with V. Oh no, it's no problem. Sorry. We have a nice jet depth. We can just do manipulate everywhere adjustment. We can do adjustment, a lot more adjustment, so we can find that. We have a light, exactly. We have a very different light because we were having some issue on the light here. So yeah, you can see there were some issue on the light, exactly. So I came back with some lights as well. Okay. Guys, please do not forget to subscribe and support me, and I will be coming back with a lot more tutorials, and I will be coming back with a lot more animated scene in the coming days. And I hope you guys will also follow me, and you will subscribe me and support me. And as much as we become so grower, so a lot more of the big scenes and vast scenes, more complicated scene will be just posted and published for me, and we will do a lot more practice at the same time. And okay, now let's get started.
Whispers in my mind, I slowly drifting by. All the poems Heard you in the rain. Will you always be there? The last thing you said. Sorry if it's too late. Whispers in my mind, I slowly drifting by. All the poems I wrote for you, they made me blind, they made me lie. Heard you in the rain. Will you always be there? Last thing you said. Sorry if it's too late. Heard you in the rain. Will you always be there? Last thing you said. Sorry if it's too
Guys, thank you so much for being with me. I think this is the end because I don't want to do a lot more. I'm having giving a lot more time on these things. Like first of all, I do on the work on the Maya and as well, and I render them all and I take them to the Nuke and I just give you some hint and some so nothing else is only that for. So I don't want to be take a lot more time. So okay, see you on the next time. Please do not forget to subscribe and please do not forget to support me, and I will be coming back with a lot more EXR files. Do a lot more compositing as you wish. Thank you so much for being with me. Bye.